Okay, so what did you think about that grafting video with all the Thanksgiving stuff? I hope you found it informative, so that just kind of gives you a base of what I'm going to do with you. So did you grab your cereal or a fun treat to do the graft with? Okay, Miss Kim picked Cheerios because I kind of like Cheerios. All right, so we have our paper, and I picked a summer graph because I am so excited for summer, and I hope you are too. Okay, so right here, what do we have? We have our numbers lined here, and we have a sandcastle. We have a little crab, ice cream, a seashell, and a sunshine. So we're going to do the same thing that the Thanksgiving graph did. What we're going to do, first of all, is we are going to find, I've got to figure out how to do this. So we might have to do this a little bit different because Miss Kim's not going to be able to hold up her paper with Cheerios on it. Because what will happen? You got it. They'll fall off. So let's start with the sandcastles. So usually what I like to do when I'm working, I look at this picture and it would be really easy to get confused. So I usually start at the top and I count 1, I want you to count with me. 1, 2, and then I'm going to go down. 3, 4, you can go through again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so how many sandcastles are there? You got it, there's 10. Okay, so what you're going to do, I know you have your paper laying down, so I guess I'm not going to get to do it with you. So you can color these, or you can put your cute little objects on them. So we should lay it down, and let's hit my phone a little bit. And I would start up at the top, and I'm going to fill this in with 10. Okay, so from the video, I'll wait just a second so everyone can get that done because I want to do this whole paper with you. And if Miss Kim is talking too fast, just pause the video until you get it to where you need it to be. Okay. All right. Ooh, the little crab is next. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing. And a lot of you can probably look and go, remember how many crabs, but I like to go in order just so I make sure I end up with the right number, because if I count wrong, is our graph gonna be right? It's not gonna be right. So sometimes doing math and stuff, we want to check our work. 1, 2, 3, lots of times you end up checking when you're working with numbers. You double check yourself to make sure you're right. Okay, so here comes Mr. Crab. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm not holding it right. Okay, start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we're going to come over here and we're going to find our number 6. And I'm just going to mark mine with a pencil. So go ahead and start to put 6 of your objects on there. Okay, and while you do that, we'll talk about this. So we know now that we've counted them and marked them, that there's more sandcastles than there are lobsters. Is that a lobster or a crab? I don't think it's a lobster, it's a crab. All right, Miss Kim is silly. All right, here we go. So I will just wait, and go ahead and pause it if you need time to catch up, and then unpause it when you're ready. Okay, ooh, who loves ice cream? I love ice cream. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna find the ice cream and we're gonna come over here and count. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, did we just not have 6 crabs? We did. So we're gonna flip it over and we're going to mark that. So Now we'll remember we won't have to go back through and count again because we have a graph. Okay, so right now we still have the sandcastles have the most. And what do the crab and ice cream have? They have the same amount. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to find the seashells. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm going to come over to my graph and I'm going to find my number 4 right there, and I'm going to put my objects on it. So now out of these ones, which one has the least? You got it. The shell has the least. All right. And then if you want, when we get all done, you can color these and make them fun, just if you're bored. All right, now we have the sunshine. This year we didn't get to learn my favorite sunshine song. I'll put it on here so you guys can listen to it. It makes me so happy, and I miss singing it this year. Okay, here we go. So we're looking for the sunshine. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now we are going to come over here and we are going to find our number 5. And we're going to go over and we're going to mark it. So with this graph, we can tell who had the most, who had the same, who had the least, and in between. And remember, with math, we always want to check our work twice. So that was fun getting to do something different. And now you, when they talk about graphs, you'll be like, I'm so smart. I know how to do that. Okay. All right. I'll put Mr. Sun on there because that is the best song in the world. And then I will leave you with one last little closing thing. And we'll talk to you soon.